Meaning of fire retardant.
Fire retardant.
Fire retardant.
Fire retardant.
Fire retardant. Fire retardant refers to materials or substances that are designed to resist catching fire or delay the spread of flames. When exposed to flame or high heat, fire retardant materials release gases that can suppress or slow down the combustion process. This helps to prevent or reduce property damage, injuries, and deaths caused by fire. Fire retardant materials are commonly used in construction, furniture, clothing, and electronics. They have been proven effective in reducing the risk of fire-related accidents and are an important safety measure in today's world.